Let's look at this word problem on multiplication and division of fraction. In this example, we are told a welder requires short iron rods, each of length 1 whole number 3/4 meters, to make a window frame. Now, how many of such short iron rods can he get from an iron rod of length 10.5 meter? So that is, he has a 10.5 length of the iron rod, and he wants to get 1 whole number 3/4 from this. So we want to see how many times he can get it. This is a case of division. So let's solve it. Solution. The first thing we want to do is to convert all of these mixed numbers into improper fraction. That is, 1 whole number 3/4 would become, so we would have 4 times 1 plus 3/4. And this would give us 4 plus 3/4, giving us 7/4. And in this case, the length he has, which is 10.5, this would be written as 2 times 10 plus 1/2, which then becomes 20 plus 1/2, and 20 plus 1 is 21, so we have 21/2. Now, to find out how many of this rod he can get from 21/2, we would write 21/2 divided by 7/4. And to solve this, we change this division sign to multiplication and then flip this fraction. So we would have 21/2 multiplied by, now this would be 4/7. Now, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 7 here 1, 7 here 3, giving us 3 times 2. And 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. So therefore, you can get 6 of this rod from a 10.5 meter rod. Thank you.